Direct Factory Furniture brings you high-quality, stylish furniture at unbeatable prices. Whether you're looking to transform your dining space with an elegant table set, create a cozy bedroom retreat with a luxurious bed, or design a custom sofa that perfectly fits your style, we have it all. At Direct Factory Furniture, our expert craftsmen tailor custom sofas to your preferences, ensuring your home reflects your personality. Visit our showrooms in San Jose and Santa Clara to experience our stunning collections firsthand. Feel the textures, see the craftsmanship, and let our team guide you in finding the perfect pieces. With modern, contemporary, and timeless designs, we make it easy to redefine your home, room by room. Visit directfactoryfurniture.com today or experience our showrooms in person in San Jose and Santa Clara.